What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Focus. Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So very similar. China. 7.5 patent. We're going high here. But here is the reason I have these dispensers. See this rim around the top? These are definitely two mold variations. I haven't been able to find any mold variations here on the ducks themselves. Do you see any? I've been looking at these things for about 5 minutes, and I can't see any form of differences except the color of the beaks. Let me do it this way. You see, one is a little bit lighter than the other. But I did notice the stem. How it has this rim around the top of it. Not in the front, just on the sides and in the back. This one has it on the back, not in the front, but not on the sides as well. So there is a little duck variation for you. And again, you don't have to be a super collector of rare pieces like Donald Duck or Geraldine or the Fire Chief's Fireman or the Pelican, for that matter. No. You can just be into rubber duckies. It's cool. But it's also cool to know everything about your rubber duckies. PEZ isn't about who has the largest collection. I mean, sure, there's a rumor out there that says he who dies with the most PEZ wins. Well, you know what? Let that guy die. And let us all live and enjoy our PEZ dispensers and share the knowledge that we have, whether we collect Geraldine or little rubber duckies, or we are the one that is going to die tomorrow and win. I'd rather stay a loser. I'd rather stay uninformed. That way, I can have an open mind and learn. And, yeah. Big thanks to somebody for even pointing this variation out to me and letting me know it exists. That way I could search for it myself and share it with everybody. No collector is left out of the PEZ book. Whether you just started today, whether you have been doing it every day but day one in your life. It's all about having fun, and PEZ is a lot of fun. Isn't that right, Geraldine? Geraldine and her fancy hat. Oh yeah. So until next time.